Have you ever wondered why we fall for certain people? You know, the kind of people we just can't get enough of? In this video, we'll explore the psychology of attraction and discuss some of the reasons why we might be drawn to certain individuals. Proximity. Have you ever heard of the propinquity effect? This is the idea that we're more likely to become attracted to people we see regularly. It makes sense, right? If you're in close proximity to someone, you'll be more likely to get to know them, and therefore become friends or even fall in love with them. A classic study on the propinquity effect was conducted in 1950 by social psychologists Leon Festinger, Stanley Schachter, and Kurt Beck. They observed the friendship choices of students living in a dormitory and found that those who lived next to each other were more likely to become friends. Similarity. We tend to be more attracted to people who are similar to us rather than different. This could be in terms of our looks, our interests, our values, or even our personalities. A 1969 study by Theodore Exta Newcomb on the importance of similarity in relationships found that participants were most satisfied with their partners when they had similar views on important issues. Of course, it's not all about being the same. We also need to have some differences. A little mystery keeps things interesting. Physical attractiveness. Now let's talk about physical attractiveness. According to the research, there are certain features that we find more attractive than others. For example, symmetry. A 2002 study found that people who had more symmetrical faces were perceived as more attractive. Another study in 2004 found that facial expressions also play a role in physical attraction. Participants who viewed photos of people with bigger smiles rated them as more attractive. Reciprocity of liking. Have you ever heard of the reciprocity of liking effect? This is the idea that we're more likely to like someone who likes us back. It makes sense, right? If someone likes us, we feel good about ourselves, and that in turn makes us more likely to like them. A classic study on the reciprocity of liking was conducted in 1959 by social psychologist Theodore Newcomb. He found that if two people knew that they had something in common, such as a shared class or a mutual friend, they were more likely to become friends. Now, it's important to remember that everyone is different, and what one person finds attractive, another may not. However, these are some of the general findings from research on the psychology of attraction. So the next time you're wondering why you're attracted to someone, just remember, it could be because of their looks, their personality, or even how much you like them. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more psychology videos. Thanks for watching.